Hi everyone, it is a beautiful, dreary, cloudy, rainy day here in Southern California. It's wonderful. The rain is just really nice. Just loving the rain. It's absolutely wonderful. And it is a cool 65 degrees, so it's just absolutely fantastically fabulous. So I did go to RiteAid today and I wanted to share it with you. This is everything that I got at RiteAid. It's quite a lot of stuff, but after all my bonus cash, I bought a rebates and things like that. It's only $7.02, including tax, and the tax was over $8. So I'm very happy to get all this stuff for that price. And I really needed contact lens solution, and I always need Finish dishwasher detergent tablets. So I'm pretty excited about this haul. I only did one transaction. There's a lot going on, so we'll get started. The first deal I did was the Neutrogena deal. Ravi talked about this in his haul, and I knew I wanted to get in on it. Stock was not a lot in the store that I went to, plus my sister was with me, and she also did the Neutrogena deal, so she got 2 of these skin balancing things and used the 16 off 2 coupon that I gave her. So, I mean, I just had to hodgepodge together what I could, and I did, and I'm pretty happy with what I got. So this, even though it says $11.99 on it, it's actually was 21. Oh my goodness, hold on, let me get my receipt. Okay, it was actually $21.79. But all the Neutrogena stuff is 20% off, and when you spend $40 worth, you get $10 back in bonus cash. And we have extremely high value coupons. And then if you spend $30 or $35, you get a $5 on your next shopping order, Catalina. So it just makes for a really great deal. Plus, I was working with the spend 50, get $10 back in bonus cash. I had a 9 off of 45 purchase-based coupon that I was using, plus I had a 5 off 25 flu shot coupon that I was using, as well as a new one that came out, 5 off 25 flu shot, and my total was well over the $95 threshold that I needed to use all those coupons, and I did, and it was wonderful. So big thank you to Coupons Are Sweet for posting those flu shot coupons to her Instagram. I was able to use those, and those help out tremendously. So thank you to Coupons Are Sweet for those. So, okay, back to the Neutrogena deal. So it's spend 40 and get $10 back in bonus cash, and all the products are 20% off, and we have very high value coupons. So the first one I got was this skin balancing one. As I said, for $17.43, I had an $8 load coupon. And then I got this, I believe this one is a clay cleanser here. And the price on it was $9.59, and I had a $2 coupon. And then this Hydro Boost cleanser was $10.63, and I had a $2 coupon. And then I got the mask for $2.63, and I had a $4 coupon for that. Well, one of the $2 coupons attached to the mask. So the $4 coupon did not work, but she did push it through. So I was very grateful for that. So this is how the Neutrogena deal works. It is $10.63 for that one with a $4 coupon that she just put through. $17.43 for the green one with an $8 load coupon. $2.63 for the mask with a $2 coupon. $9.59 for the other cleanser with a $2 coupon. So $40.28 minus $16 of coupons makes it $24.28. Then you get $10 back in bonus cash, makes it $14.28, and $5 Catalina, which is here. And that makes it only $9.28 for 4 of these products, which is really fantastic. Also, I submitted my receipt to the Johnson & Johnson Care Club, and I will get points back for it, which I'll probably get enough to get a $10 gift card. So if I factor that in, it makes everything a $3 money maker, but I haven't gotten it yet, so there's no point in factoring it in yet because I don't have it yet. But that was just a phenomenal deal. Big shout out and thank you to Ravi for talking about that deal in his video yesterday. Then I did the Colgate deal because even though I said yesterday, well, I don't have any children. I do have children, but they are grown children. And actually my oldest daughter, who's now 33, she loves kids' toothpaste. So I'll probably be giving this to her. This will be a stocking stuffer or something for her because she does love children's toothpaste. So again, it was $3.50. I had a $3 load coupon. I also picked up the kids' toothbrush. It was $6.79. I had a $2 load coupon, and then when you buy two, you get $2 back in bonus cash. So after all that, it makes it about $3.50 for both, or $1.75 each, which is not a bad deal because I had all those purchase-based coupons I was working with. I had a 9 off 45 and those 2 5 off 25s, and so I needed to get my total up to $95. So that really helped with that. Plus it gave bonus cash back, and she loves the kids' toothpaste, so why not? Then I did the two Duracells. They were $5.89 each, and you get $5 in bonus cash when you buy two, and there's a $3 off two load to card coupon. That worked beautifully. I did the Dickinson's Witch Hazel because it is on sale for $2 off. And when you buy two, you get $4.68 back from Ibotta. So each one is $4.79, and when you buy two, you get $4.68 back from Ibotta. So it's a buy one, get one free type deal. So not bad. Then I did a 7th generation for $3.99, and I got $2 back in bonus cash. This is an Ibotta rebate. This tea relief is on sale for 25% off, making the price $8.99, and then you get $6.50 back from Ibotta, so $2.49. I did the Vaseline deal again. This is a different card than I used yesterday, so it's buy two and get $2 back in bonus cash. I forgot to use my dollar off two coupon that I had, or this would have only been $6, but as I said, there's a lot going on. And when my sister's with me, there's always drama, so I always forget something. So these are $2.29 for the first one, $1.14 for the second one, then $2.09, $2.19 for the first one, $1.09 for the second one, and then I have a Vaseline bonus cash challenge also. Back to the Neutrogena, I also have a bonus cash challenge for that. So by spending $35, I will get $10.50 back. So just really phenomenal deal there. I needed contact lens solution. It was $16.99 with $6 back in bonus cash. There is a $6 coupon from coupons.com, so I'll submit my receipt for that. The Jason body wash is $6.99 with a $4 Ibotta rebate. The women's, there was only one of the women's, and my sister got that, so I just did the men's. And then the finish was on sale for $6.99. Oh my goodness. It was supposed to be on sale for $6.99. That's what the tag said, but it rang up for $7.99. I did have a $1.50 load to card coupon, and then there's a $1.50 back for my Ibotta. I just now noticed that it did not ring up for the sale price. That's a bummer, but that's the way it is. So we'll go over my receipt and talk about the final numbers. So there's the gel cleanser with no $2 coupon. There's the Neutrogena with the high value $8 coupon. There's the mask with the $2 coupon, and the clay cleanser with the $2 coupon. There's one of the 5 off 25s. There's the Colgate toothpaste with the $3 load. There's the Reboost, $8.99. Here's the OptiFree. Now, the only thing I'm concerned about is this is my 9 off 45. If coupons.com sees that, they may think that I used a coupon on the OptiFree and not give me the $6 coupon back for that. So I may not get that, sadly. Okay, there's the 7th generation for $3.99. The finish for $7.99. There's the two Duracells with the $3 off two load. There's the Colgate toothbrush, $6.79 with the $2 load. And there's the 2 witch hazels for $4.79. There's my other 5 off 25 flu shot coupon. There's the Jason for $6.99 and all the Vaselines. And then there's the $4 coupon for the mask that she pushed through. My subtotal was $79.09. My tax was $8.11. Very high tax here in California. We have to pay a lot for the sunshine. And we don't even get reimbursement when we get rain. But it's really exciting when we get rain because we don't get that very often. So I did get back $39 in bonus cash. So here's how it plays out. I spent $87.20. I got $39 back in bonus cash, $3 worth of points, $10.50 for the Neutrogena bonus cash challenge, the $5 on your next shopping order Catalina from the Neutrogena deal, $16.68 back for my Bada, and hopefully $6 back from coupons.com, making everything only $7.02, including tax. And I would pay $7.02 any day for my contact lens solution, which is 2 bottles and the case. So I was very, very happy about that. So this was a really great haul for me today, and I was very excited to get it. Thank you all so much for watching. Everybody stay safe, warm, dry, and wonderful, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.